Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Philips Hue for geofencing auto lighting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the Philips Hue app installed on your smartphone. Open the Philips Hue app. If you don't have an account yet, navigate to the account creation section. Select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address into the required field. Create a strong password and confirm it. Agree to any terms and conditions presented. Submit your information to create the account. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Philips Hue. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Philips Hue app. Log in using your newly created credentials. Now, make sure your Philips Hue bridge is set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi. In the app, access the Settings tab. Select Location Settings from the available options. Enable location services for the Philips Hue app on your device. You may be prompted to allow the app to access your location. Once granted, go back to the app and ensure geofencing is enabled. Choose the option to set up geofencing. Define your home location by either entering the address or using the map feature. Adjust the geofence radius to your preference. Confirm your location settings. Next, designate which lights or rooms you want to control with geofencing. Set rules for when these lights should turn on or off based on your location. Review your settings for accuracy. Once satisfied, save your geofencing configuration. Test the geofencing feature by leaving your designated area. Confirm that your selected lights turn on automatically when you return home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.